a professional.
Professional.
Professional. And I'm going to make slime. It's going to have magic bombs and it's going to be like water blue. And I hate this. Welcome to Mega Play channel. We're going to open this slime maker kit. We're going to make, this is my first time making my slime. I'll have help with my mom. So we are going to open this, but don't forget to leave the like there and subscribe and turn on the notification button for you never miss a new video. So now we're going to open this starter kit, but first I'm going to open subscribe in 3, 2, 1. You all subscribe. Let's open it now. Wow. We have the activator, the glitter, and the glue, the washable glue. This is the washable glue. Okay, now let's open the glitter. And we're going to show the activator. And now, what's the instructions? Now we're going to open these 3. Going to open the activator. Wow, the activator. This is the activator to make slime. And we're going to open this glitter. I need glitter. I need glitter in my slime. You cannot have too much glitter in your slime. I did it. I got my cow booty. It's a cow. It's a cow. I need help by my cow. It's a cow. It's a cow. A million billion. Now my glitter. I'm going to open this glitter for my slime. Okay, good. So the first ingredient, not my fault. The first ingredient we're going to put is this glue. We're going to put until this half. Until, where do we put?
You can just put it here, Michael.
Like until where? Tell stop, okay? Until where?
How do you choose? Any to make it pretty, you say?
How many do we mix it, right?
Yes.
Wait, I'm so scared.
Mix it.
Mix it later. Boom, boom, boom. Mixing the face, 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 mixing the face, mixing the face. Don't kill me because I'm a face. Mixing the face, mixing the face, mixing so fast. Does it mix the fair? It's so hard already. Okay, it's enough, Mama. It's so hard to mix with the spoon. I think we have to mix with our hands.
Yes.
So that get the spoon out. brother. We start mixing with our hands. Wow. Start mixing with our hands. We start mixing with our hands. We start mixing with our hands. We start mixing with our hands. Start mixing with our hands. We start mixing with our hands. We start mixing with our hands. We start mixing with our hands. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. The slime is drawing lime. Slime is coin. And so wow, so sticky. Wow, we can stick it. So, we have to take this $1 million saw. How do we take the saw? It's impossible. I need help by God. I need help by Mr. Spoon. Mr. Spoon, can you help me? Yes, yes, yes. Ba-bop, ba-ba-da-ba-da. We are going to take slime out from my hands. My hands are on fire. I ate too much slime and then this ballerina eats slime in the face. Oh yeah, oh slime, oh slime. I'm taking my slime, oh slime. My fingers are feeling very bad. I'm trying to take. Look at my slime. Wow, so yes. Yay, it's finished. Yay, so finished. So finished. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and like and turn on the notification button for you never miss a new video. Bye, guys. You're thinking of no. You're here doing nothing at all. Do nothing at all.